Welcome back guys to my channel. Today we're gonna we're gonna show my creatures puppets. So let's get started. So we're gonna show you the T-Rex. I got it today. It's pretty cool, but it doesn't open that much. But it's got really big jaw, crunchy bones. It can even fit neck. It's so detailed. Let's show it. I turn on the light. So detailed, and it only costs $8 actually. Triceratops. I actually like this better than the T-Rex because the T-Rex is not hard. Oh yeah, you see it's so hard. You cannot open the mouth. You can even. It's fine. Look at the T-Rex. You cannot even do anything. But that's why I like this one. Doing movies better. So much detail, all this pattern, orange and green and black. Now you can have amazing battles with this. Oh, T-Rex is not sometimes but not outside. Like, it's so flexible, you can open the mouth wide. You can turn them up, but look, the big mistake. Its fingers are so jiggly. And then you can actually put your fingers in the horns, right there. As you can see. Oh, let me put the other one. Easy. One of my older ones. The Allosaur, these are like the big ones I have. I actually do like this thing, even though the paint of the teeth is coming off. So detailed, it's so flexible. It's kind of tight. It's like hard, but it's not that hard like this T-Rex. It's more flexible. Like you can move the neck. Now let's take the T-Rex. The T-Rex doesn't have that much neck, but it has some neck. You can see it has neck. I mean, you can actually. So you can actually, but not that much. I'm sick, guys. There's some battles already. Episode 1, episode 2, episode 3, episode 4. I'm about to do. Y'all want me to do that Spinosaurus versus Triceratops or Allosaurus? Look. You can also use the arms. It's so red, and so you can actually use the arms if there's a hole. So you can even use the arms. Like the Spinosaurus that Great Knee use. Like the T-Rex. I got another T-Rex, but that's gonna be a Tarbo. So because I already got one T-Rex. Because this one is more detailed than the one I'm gonna show you. But it has really big teeth. There's T-Rex, but it's a turbo now. I don't know, use this like a turbo. But I got it like a few years ago, and it's pretty. It has a long neck, and it's pretty flexible. It just opens the mouth really big, like the puppet toys T-Rex. Like, okay, and now it's done. I want to show you the inside. You're gonna put your hands in. You're gonna put your fingers inside because it's not that. It's sticky in here. It's not that sticky. It's because it's like together. That's Pletosaurus. I'm gonna show you. My hands. This puppet already broke. But you cannot puppet to the jaw. It's because my hand doesn't fit here. As you can see. Doesn't fit. There's a full body puppet. So yeah, that's my puppets. I hope you like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you next time. Bye.